Now let's take a look at how we can manage our subscriptions with apps. In a lot of cases, when you purchase an app, you're actually purchasing a subscription. So where can you manage all of these subscriptions? Maybe you don't use that app anymore. You want to cancel that subscription. Now, if you found this video helpful, what you may want to do is stick around to the end. I'll tell you a little bit more about myself and how you can help support my efforts in creating these videos. Let's find out how we can manage these subscriptions on the iPad. Let's go over to my iPad. Now, there are a couple of ways to manage your subscriptions on the iPad, or I should say a couple of ways to get to where you manage your subscriptions. You can do this in the Settings app, or what you can do is do this through the App Store. Let's first look at the App Store, because this is where you would most likely go. You'd go to the App Store to manage your app subscriptions. So I tap on it, and then what we need to do is we need to go to our account in the upper right-hand corner. When I tap on that, what you're going to see is subscriptions. I tap on that, and now I can manage all of my subscriptions. So that's one way of getting to it. We can do this through the App Store. You can see it's pretty simple. But we can also do this through the Settings app. So I'm going to go back to my home screen, and we go over here to my settings. And then we need to go to our Apple account because our subscriptions are tied to our Apple account. So when I tap on my Apple account, and then we go over here to the right, you're going to see subscriptions. This is another way of getting at your subscriptions. Either way, you're going to be brought to the same place where you can manage them. So let's go and see how we manage these now that we know how to get to our subscriptions. So I tap on it. It's going to open it up. And then from here, I can see all of my subscriptions. The first thing you can do is you can set the sort order. When I tap on sort, what I'm able to do is sort them by the app name, the price, or the next payment date. So let's say you wanted to see when the next payment date is for any apps. That's probably the way that you'd want to see all of your subscriptions. When is the next payment? Do I want to cancel before that next payment? So I'm going to tap on next payment date. And now we can see that the next payment is for my album and is going to be for $5.99. If we look above it, I have glass here. That's going to expire on August 12. I already canceled this one. If I wanted to renew it, I can tap on it, and then I can go and renew this. Let's go and take a look at the next one. The next one is for my album. This is a subscription that is currently running and is going to renew on August 19. Let's go ahead and tap on it and see how we could cancel this. So I tap on it, and then if I wanted to cancel it, I could cancel this. I can also change the plan. So I'm paying $5.99 per month. Well, maybe they have an annual that is a little bit cheaper. If I wanted to change that plan, I can go to See All Plans, and then from here, I'm able to change the plan. It'll continue through the current plan, so I'm on a monthly plan right now, so it'll continue through the monthly plan, and then once that expires, what it'll do is it'll switch to whatever I tap down here. So I could switch to an annual payment to save a little bit of money. So when we're in the middle of a subscription, we can easily change our subscription model from annual to monthly or monthly to annual. It all depends on what the developer offers. I'm going to cancel this. We just go back, and we're going to go back. So we can easily see from this list here what the next payment is going to be, and then we can decide if we want to keep it, or we can also see which ones are expiring, and then we can decide if we want to renew it. I would recommend that you take a look at this maybe once every couple of months. You're going to find out that you've subscribed to a couple of apps that you may not use anymore, and then what you're able to do is cancel it. Or what you can do, here's a little tip. If you sign up for an annual subscription, you can actually go and cancel that as soon as you sign up for it. You'll still have that subscription for the full year, but then it'll cancel after that. So then if you forget that you have that subscription to that app, it will not renew in a year. You can go and manually renew it just by tapping on it here and renewing it manually. So there's a little tip. If you don't like subscriptions, you can sign up for an annual subscription and then almost immediately go and cancel it. It'll cancel the subscription, but you still have access to that app's premium features for a year or a month or whatever subscription you signed up for. So there's a little tip for you on how you can also help manage your subscriptions. So that's how we manage our subscriptions on the iPad. We can do this through the App Store, or we can do this through the Settings app. We can change the sort order, and then we can easily cancel any current subscriptions, and we can also renew any subscriptions that we have canceled. And then we can also change plans midterm. So that is how we work with our subscriptions for our different apps on the iPad. Now, if you found this video helpful, what you may want to do is like the video. You can subscribe to my channel. You can share it with your friends and family. I also have a couple of other options. Take a look at danstutorials.com. With danstutorials.com, not only do I have more videos there, but I have an AI assistant modeled after an Apple Genius, and I host classes and webinars on a regular basis. This is a subscription site, which means that when you become a member, what I'll do for you is I will remove all of the ads from the videos. You'll have access to that AI assistant. Now, if you don't like membership sites or subscriptions, and you want to just take a course on a specific device, I also have dansonlinecourses.com. This site is basically focused on courses. It's a one-time purchase. You purchase a course for a device such as the iPad, and then what you're able to do is view all the videos, including this one, with that course. Now, as of this recording, I do only have one course on there for the iPhone, but I do plan on including a new course on the iPad, which includes this video and many more, as well as one on the Mac. Check out Dan's Online Courses for more information on that. Either way, you are helping support a small business. It is just me in a corner office of my house. I'm not part of some large organization. So when you become a member or purchase a course, you are directly supporting my efforts in creating these videos. Check out danstutorials.com as well as dansonlinecourses.com for more information, and thanks for watching.